Today we're cutting down this oak tree. It's been dead for a few years, and our hope is to cut it off around this height, maybe 2 meters height. Whenever I pass an old dead tree, I always try and imagine what I can make out of it. I had the opportunity to demo one of Rhino South Africa's band sawmills, so I thought, let me use this oak, cut it into some nice thick slabs and make a few dining tables out of it. It was quite easy to set up the bed. We just had to make sure it was level. According to my calculations, the stump weighed about 1.7 tons, so it was extremely difficult to just maneuver the stump and to get it onto the bed in the first place. The stump was just over 1 meter in diameter, so I had to cut off a bit on either side of the stump to make sure the machine was able to pass through. With this particular project, we were struggling because of the size of this oak stump. The weight of this stump made it extremely difficult for us to turn. So I had to get a few more guys to help me rotate it. I was really impressed with the Rhino 950. It made cutting this tree up very easy. So if you're in South Africa, or anywhere in Africa for that matter, and you're in the market for a band sawmill, you should seriously consider getting yourself a Rhino, as they are manufactured here in Johannesburg, South Africa. And they deliver. Spare parts are easily accessible and they are very competitively priced, but at the same time extremely rugged. They are built in Africa for Africa. Despite all the challenges I faced milling this oak, I was able to finish it all up before the end of the day. What I've learned from being a musician, and after years of crafting furniture from pieces of wood that other people would consider unusable, is that creativity does not always come easily. Many times you have to start doing the work before inspiration and creativity comes. So I want to challenge you today to get out there, do the work, and creativity will follow.